Welcome to our video on the pros and cons of leasing solar panels for homeowners. Let's explore if it's the right choice for you. Pro: lower initial costs. Leasing solar panels allows you to enjoy the benefits of solar energy without the high upfront expenses associated with purchasing and installing solar panels. Con: long-term costs. While the initial costs may be lower, over the long run, leasing can end up being costlier than purchasing, as you continue to pay monthly lease payments. Pro: no maintenance responsibility. When you lease solar panels, the leasing company typically takes care of the maintenance and necessary repairs, saving you time and money. Con: limited control. Leasing means you don't have full control over the system. You may encounter restrictions on system modifications or the ability to sell excess energy back to the grid. Pro: immediate savings. With solar panels, you can start saving on your electricity bills from day one. You'll enjoy a reduced energy bill and potentially even earn credits for excess energy produced. Con: lease terms. Leasing contracts often come with long terms, typically 15 to 20 years. Be sure to read and understand the terms to avoid surprises or early termination fees. Pro: renewable energy source. By opting for solar panels, you are contributing to a cleaner future by reducing your carbon footprint and relying on a renewable source of energy. Con: home resale challenges. If you decide to sell your home before the lease ends, it can complicate the selling process as potential buyers may not be interested in taking over the lease. Pro: easy and quick installation. The process of installing leased solar panels is generally quicker and hassle-free compared to purchasing and self-installing. Con: reliance on leasing company. You're entrusting the performance and maintenance of your solar system to the leasing company, and their financial stability may affect the quality of service. Pro: flexibility for renters. If you're living in a rental property, leasing solar panels allows you to benefit from solar energy without the need for long-term property ownership. Con: limited financial incentives. When you lease, you may not be eligible for certain financial incentives, tax credits, or rebates that are typically available to homeowners who purchase solar panels. Pro: easy upgrades. Leasing solar panels offers the advantage of easily upgrading to newer and more efficient technologies as they become available, without the burden of significant upfront costs. Con: subpar energy savings. Leased solar panels may not provide as high energy savings compared to owned systems due to the limitations of lease terms and potential restrictions. Pro: positive environmental impact. By going solar, you actively contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and combating climate change, making a positive impact on the environment. Con: lack of equity. When you lease solar panels, you don't build any equity in the system. Consider whether building equity or solely benefiting from reduced energy costs is more important to you. Pro: simplified process. Leasing solar panels simplifies the process of going solar. The leasing company handles the complexities of permits, installation, and paperwork, making it easier for you. Con: individual circumstances vary. Remember, the decision to lease solar panels ultimately depends on your individual circumstances, energy usage, financial situation, and long-term goals. With a clearer picture of the pros and cons, you're now equipped to make an informed decision about leasing solar panels for your home. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more informative videos.